Sian Gaza at Thai fiancé nito, hiwalay na? Isang palaisipan ngayon ang Facebook post ni Kumpoy TH, Thai fiancé ng pambansang Marites, Sian Gaza, na tila pagpapahiwatig na nasa pagsubok ang kanilang relasyon ngayon. Matatandaan na ibinahagi noon ni Sian sa social media ang kanilang naging engagement video ni Kumpoy noong February 19 na ginanap sa Singapore. Sinaad pa ni Sian Gaza noon na hindi raw siya naniniwala sa kasal hanggang sa nakilala niya ang Thai girl na si Kumpoy. Samantala, ikinalungkot at ikinabahala naman ngayon ng maraming netizens ang Facebook post ni Kumpoy na kung saan tila may kaugnayan sa kanyang buhay pag-ibig. Anya sa post, "This is my official time. I love him until I cannot love him anymore. I do my best in all situations. Love you, Dark Cat." Bagaman wala itong binanggit na pangalan, marami ang nagsasabi sa comment section na may kaugnayan ito sa relasyon niya with Sian Gaza. Dagdag pa nito, "He is single before me already. But now, just my time to be single too." Bago pa man mag-post si Kumpoy sa Facebook, maraming netizens na ang nakapansin ng tila pagiging absent nito sa mga biyahe ni Sian Gaza sa ibang bansa. Hindi rin masyado ipinupost ni Sian si Kumpoy, hindi tulad noon na madalas silang nagbabahagi online ng kanilang mga sweet moments. Sa ngayon ay wala pang kumpirmasyon mula kina Sian Gaza at Kumpoy kung totoo nga bang hiwalay na sila. Narito naman ang komento ng mga netizens. Kumpoy TH, "We are not surprised. This is expected to happen. Focus on your career first, move on soon. The moment that I've seen your post that you're not traveling together, I said the relationship is really over. He just using you. He is not the better guy for you. You deserve a good man that's truly love you." Ay, kaya pala di magkasama sa mga pics niya lately. Gets ko na agad nahiwalay na. Move on, you are beautiful. Your partner was just so toxic for you, queen. You deserve better. You deserve peace. Cheer up, Kumpoy TH. You're already loved by Filipinos. Punta ka na lang sa Pinas at mag-artista. Okay lang yan. Focus on yourself now. God bless. I knew it was already over because you were traveling alone separately. Everything happens for a reason. Heal and love yourself more. I thought so cause Christian Albert Gaza looks so sad and always alone in his vlog, and he travel more alone without you in his video.